Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomomi Galliano, a certified Zentangle teacher. Today is day 20 of Inktober 2023. Today's tangle is Kalooa by Nina. I'm not gonna even try to read her last name. I'm sure it sounds beautiful and wonderful the way she reads it, but I have no idea how to pronounce it. So thank you, Nina. And I love the fact that her last name has a Z at the end, because a lot of the tangle names, when we name our new tangles, a lot of people use Z at the end instead of S for plural form. So I think it's really cool that her last name has Z at the end. Anyway, so this tangle, I think I'm gonna mark just a center here, so that I know where the center is. And then let's see, I'm looking at the step out, so it's gonna have this sort of kind of tulip-like shape, and you have a little bit of coming in like this, and then you have one fundamental sticking out like this, and you're gonna have another one facing opposite direction. Oops, I think I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna have two going opposite direction, perpendicular to the first one. And that's the initial or original step out. It's a really beautiful, elegant shape. And then she does some embellishment and aura around it. I think what I'm gonna do is, if you've done this shape like really evenly, mine is kind of wonky. Oh, this one is a good example. You have another perfect spot for you to fit the same sort of shape, a little bigger in here. Mine is a little wonky, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. This one's gonna kind of come out like this. So this one fits really nicely here. So it's a little bigger, but the same shape. And this one's gonna come out from behind. It really doesn't matter in what order you draw these lines, as long as you get this beautiful, elegant shape. So whatever makes sense to you. I think I can do one more here. Or maybe perhaps two. What do you think? Maybe I'll do one big one here. Maybe I'll make the last one a little kind of fat and chunky, like this. Kind of building on top of the other, so kind of going off the edge. I could keep going. Maybe I'll just gonna keep going really big. So this is gonna be like that. Kind of looks like almost like a, I don't know, peony. or maybe some kind of dahlia flower. So it's going to come out like this. Okay, I think I'm gonna need another, because I can come in like this, so like that. That's already pretty. I like it. So then I think I am gonna add some line weight to like this B shape, or like edge of the petal, to kind of give a little bit of accent or oomph to it. So this part is quite repetitive, and you can add a different embellishment too. I just wanna give a little something to the edges of flower petal shape first. This is also opportunity to sculpt your line. You can make this kind of go deeper if you want. You can bring in these lines to create some texture. So just play with it to see what suits your taste. What flavor do you like? Just customize it in a way that you like, make it into your own. So anyways, I was talking about earthquake yesterday. I'm sorry that, I hope I didn't scare anybody, but it just so happened to have earthquake, just a tiny little earthquake while I was filming yesterday's video, Knightsbridge. So if you want to hear about earthquake, you can watch the video from previous day for Knightsbridge. That would be day 19. So hopefully there's no earthquake today, but this is such a fun, beautiful tango. I think in the original step out, there's aura as one of the steps. But I think I'm gonna. Well, I guess I really don't have a choice. I don't have space to aura because I tangled all the way to the edges. So I'm just gonna skip that step. So you can see, like I don't necessarily follow the step out to the T. If you see me tangle, it's a really how should I say, like kind of cooking, right? When you learn first time, maybe you do exactly what the recipe said, and then if you're an experienced cook, and then you realize, if I do this way, or if I do this process in this order instead of that order that's explained in the recipe, it works better with my kitchen space or my cooking utensils or whatever, or just the way that you naturally inclined to do. So same with tangling. It's step outs are like recipe, the basic recipe, the creator of the tangle prepared for you. We usually when we present step out, from my perspective, when I do my step out, I think that's the best way or the easiest way to approach, but that's based on how I like to tangle. So you may find you may find it otherwise. So just make it your own, as long as you remember how it looks in the end. But even like this one in a step out, she uses 4 of these shapes, but then as a sample, there's another drawing on a step out page. She uses this kind of chaining up one on top of the other or one behind the other to create beautiful border tangle. So be brave, do your own thing, and share it with the rest of the world. Don't be shy. We all benefit from each other's creativity. So I encourage you to just share. If you're not on the social media like Instagram or Facebook, you can just share it with your friend. Just be proud of yourself. Look what I did. Isn't that beautiful? Just the joy of creativity. It's just contagious, and you inspire your friend to create something beautiful. So just don't be shy. Sharing is part of art. How does it go? Sharing is caring. So I didn't grow up in the state, but I heard that from other people as a Care Bear thing. Sharing is caring. Maybe I'm saying it wrong, but anyway, I'd love to see what you're doing each day. If you're on the social media, you can, if you're watching and tangling with me and watching this video, you can tag me too so that I can see what you did. I'm doing this mostly for my own practice, but it really helps me to be consistent, to know that somebody may be watching. So thank you for watching. I would probably do even if nobody's watching for my own practice sake. But sometimes it's nice to have a little external motivation, and Inktober is a good motivation too, knowing that a lot of people are participating and somebody somewhere in the world is drawing the same tangle, and I can draw an inspiration from what other people are doing, and it's just being a part of creative community is a wonderful experience. And Zentangle community is such a loving, caring, generous, non-judging, safe place that you can explore your creativity. You may be tangling for a long time. You may be new to Zentangle. It really doesn't matter. All of you are welcomed into Zentangle community as who you are, and you are appreciated, and you are just welcomed for who you are. So thank you for being here, and thank you for taking part in Inktober. If you are taking part of Inktober, if you're not, and excuse me, and just enjoying tangling here and there in a random opportunity, that's nice too. So whatever makes sense to you, whatever suits you. There's no expectation, there's no judgment. We're just trying to make this world a little kinder place, a little more beautiful place to be a part of by sharing our creativity and sharing our thoughts, our positive thoughts and gratitude. So thank you for being here, and thank you for watching me tangle and tangling with me. So I gently shaded perhaps the tip of the petals where I added a little bit of lines. I'm just using the dust on the tortillon. So this part is really light, very gentle shading compared to where the overlap is happening. And I'll add some white to where it's not shaded, and I'm gonna blend in. It's a very, very gentle, subtle way. I'm gonna need a little more gray here, and I'm gonna just continue to use the same tortillon to just blend in this white into graphite area. I could use the tortillon for white, but then I didn't want to pick up any graphite. So this one is my tortillon for my graphite, but you see how it's picking up the white chalk, but it's not a big deal. I think it's easier to clean the white off from the black. Like this, I just use a scrap of paper or back of the tile. It's almost clean. And I think I am gonna add just a little bit of white, maybe just toward the center, just to bring in some more light. And thank you for watching. I am gonna put my chalk right here, and thank you for watching and tangling with me. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow for day 21.